YK OSIRiS owes little baby 5 bands. And guess where he beats him at? Guess where he sees him at? The goddamn jewelry store. Ain't that a bitch? They spend some. They owe you money, but they out here spending money and shit. Ain't that a bitch?
I can't wait to get you. I can't. You right now. He's so funny. He's so funny, man.
See, look, little baby asked about the 5K. This nigga over here laughing, kiki and shit like that. 5K is 5K, dude. Shit, what you talking about?
I see, I made a rap go up and down. You up right now, don't worry about it.
Little baby low key size though, like saying, I mean, if you fucked up right now, if you ain't got it, just let me know. Keep in mind, they ain't a motherfucking icebox of jewelry stuff. So basically, the nigga like trying to, but this nigga laughed at, like trying to play it off. Like he really do want his money. You could just tell, like he got bigger fish to fry. But since he seen the nigga, he could ask the nigga about his money. You know what I'm saying? You know, time I see you, bitch, I'm gonna ask you about my motherfucking money. Now, if I gotta ask too many times, you know, I ain't gonna threaten you, but things happen.
It's so rich, man. Wait on your next hit. No, let me tell you how you rich you. Nigga, you don't even bother me about that. Want me to wait on your next hit? Yeah, I got you 10. Boy, owe me 5,000, man. I'm waiting on your next hit.
Little baby Loki like dissing him and shit like that. Why I can't laughing it off? He's like, you know that man ain't selling like that. That's why he ain't even playing with him. You just see him. He see him. He like, hey, bro, you know you owe me some money, bro. Like, not like also press you type shit, but just like, nigga, you owe me money. Like, what the fuck? This nigga over here laughing and kiki like a little bitch. Like, that shit. Nigga, I hate when niggas do that. Just pay me, bro. Like, you so quick to ask for it, but you so to give it back. Fuck that.
3,000. I'm gonna invoice your label. Invoice your label. I'm gonna try to win, man. You so rich, you don't even care about the vibe. I know, but I see you. You know, when you're a player, you don't have nobody when they owe you to yourself.
Exactly. He don't care. He don't really care about the shit, but at the same time, it's just like, this nigga owe me 5K. And nigga in the goddamn jewelry shop. Like, what the fuck going on with that? He's like, you know, I ain't gonna go to war with it, but shit, 5K. Store. You can't get my 5K, but you in the jewelry store. What's going on? What's wrong with that picture? And you know what I be. You know I come to this jewelry store on a regular. So I was like, you tried me.
You see him, you like, hey, I told you you had to text me.
Even me,
you gotta text me. Hold on.
Like, baby, I didn't text you.
Oh, he don't text me. You just wait till you see me. Look. Last time when I prayed, you, I can't. You said come to the house. Well, I did. Came right to the house. Yeah, but this time you owe. Come back to the house.
They gonna bring up old shit, bro. Little baby like, nigga, I'm talking about this time, nigga. What the fuck you talking about the last time? You was talking about some old shit. I'm talking about this new shit, this present shit. Present day, nigga. What the fuck you talking about?
Why can't he hasn't bounced to me? I didn't text him. But I know when I see him, we're gonna take care of him.
I just seen him outside. Hey, you owe me. Come on with that. How long you owe me? Like 3 months. That's a lot.
So it might be a little right on
about 5-6 months.
Niggas catch amnesia about that money. Like, how long I owed you? 3 months? Nigga, been 3.5 years.
Should get a little interest.